Hello, good people of any video Nakamichi. Today I will be adjusting the speed, the clock, and everything else in this beautiful Nakamichi 1000 ZXL. I'm hoping to finish all and looking forward. So the first test is to adjust 3 kilohertz on this motor speed. Okay, 3 kilohertz. Let it run. The clock is out. Yes. Okay. So yeah, it's a little bit too high. So we're going to adjust. Just a moment, and I will be back. So after short break, we managed to adjust the clock. So there is small jump, as you can see, but it's much better. And so that's all been done, and that's been adjusted. So we move to step number 2. Okay, the next stage, I'm trying to measure the torque meter. Yeah, and what do we have here? Good. Over 100. Over 100, so that's good. Now torque meter again and play. Yes, it's about 70, which is very good, and 120 and almost 90. Yeah, all good. I don't need to do any adjustment at all. So after short break, finally we can adjust. This is the pin number 1, and it's below 100, like the instruction manual tell us, and it's between 65-68 millivolts, between 58 and 68. So 10 millivolts jump on pin number 1, and as you can see, it's pretty stable, and that's what we need. And right now I'm gonna change to pin number 7 and show it to you. Okay, so we move to pin number 7. We just power it on, so it's powering, and you can see it's gonna pin number 1 we adjust with VR201, if I'm not mistaken, and pin number 7 with VR101. And yeah, have a look. It's more or less the same, 58, 59, 60, and it's going up and going down. So yeah, we are pretty stable in there, and we're not gonna do anything. So the number 2 electrical adjustment from the service manual is done. So we're moving to step number 3. Be with me, I'll be back shortly. Hello, we are on point number 4. The clock adjustment, as you can see, is connected, and the frequency counter is showing 48.5 kilohertz. The adjustment is supposed to be 40.44 kilohertz, so we're gonna do that. I'm not gonna record it because it's a precise job and I can't hold it, but this is the VR601, and that's what we need to do it. So I will adjust it and come back to you. Okay, so that was adjusted, as I'm gonna show you right now. We're going to pin number 7. Yes, we are. And we got 40.46. I'm going to make a little bit of adjustment, but that should be alright. We're never gonna get spot on. It's so precise, but I will try my best, and if I can achieve that, I will show it to you, because I can't hold my phone and do the measurements. So the adjustment was made, and this is the best I can do it, and I'm not gonna touch it anymore. This is as precise as supposed to be. It's supposed to be 40.44 kilohertz, but this is the closest I can get. So I will be back with next stage. Now we have to adjust the volumes, and I will show you the rest. Okay, so on the step number 4, we have to put the VU meter back, which I did. Also, I adjust the clock. Is 40.44 kilohertz, was 40.45 kilohertz, and that was done today. So now we have to remove the detector board according to the service manual, and when I remove that, I need to adjust L102 and L201 if I'm not mistaken, but I will confirm that, and I need to move the whole board out, and this is the next stage, because we will need to be on 900 millivolts on the millivolt meter, and we will check the frequency as well, so everything will be done shortly. So this is the next stage. As you can see, guys, is not so easy. It's taking a lot of time, and each board needs to be removed. This is the crucial beginning part, and after that we're gonna move to the head adjustment, etc. And of course we will have to connect the special tool, which I will show you, and we will have to adjust the CPU on the computer, which I will explain later. So be with me. So that's done. That's connected back. We need to remove the detector board, and we take it from there. Hello. After short break, like I was saying, I assembled the FL meter, and as you can see on the service manual, is saying is suggesting is telling us to provide 400 Hz 1 volt to the input on source. Okay, and then we have to adjust with line inputs 900 millivolts and 90 millivolts, sorry, 90 millivolts, my bad. And then with VR101, and there is another one here hidden, VR102, we need to adjust it to have 0 decibel, and we got that. Now we have adjusted that. That's stable. On oscilloscope is showing us absolutely stable. Okay, we have, let's do the measurements, and yeah, as you can see, left channel peak to peak 2.78 volt, 2.74, 2.74, 6. So basically that's perfect. Now I'm going to switch off the frequency signal generator, and now we have to check if the test tone 400 Hz is matching 0 decibel. So it is matching 0 decibel. So this part is done. That's the successful part. And as you can see, 268, 270, 2.7, 268, 2.72. So it's perfect. And as you can see, this is the test tone from the deck of signal generator. Yes, and it's coming from the signal generator 400 hertz. And so that's done. Is one flashing, and let me forgive me if the video is a little bit wobbly. No, that's perfect. And this one, this is the flashy one. Yeah, if we go this way, that's it. So now it's pretty stable. Turn it off. 400 hertz from the deck source. Yes, that's been done. So let me move to the next step and be with me, because this is a very long process. If you enjoy the video, if you like it what I'm doing, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope it might help somebody to do the same thing at home. And I'm looking forward to hear the deck, how it sounds, how it records, and how it's calibrating. So be with me, people, and I will be back shortly. I just need to arrange the workshop for the step number 5. Hello, good people. After break, okay, I'm pretty sure most of you know how to adjust on 1 kilohertz playback the head height. I'm sure with 15 kilohertz you know how to adjust azimuth. So I didn't go through, I didn't show you, because that's most probably everyone knows. Then I have adjusted as well the playback 400 hertz tape, and now maximum bias current is adjusted on PCB B, which is this one, and is across resistor 125 and resistor 225. They have to be connected. Then they connected to the oscilloscope. Of course, the test unit M9057, that's combo, because it's M9059 is for 1000 and 57 is for 700. That's connected to the is connected to the CPU A, and now we're connecting across the resistor. Yes, and that's all done for now. Now we have to put on manual, and we have to put record pause. Okay, now the next step is switch number 10, switch number 4, trigger number 2, and as you can see there is a sinusoid, and it's showing between 82 millivolts. So yeah, and now to trigger again, switch number 7 and trigger 2, and this is the maximum reading what we need to have on the oscilloscope, and is 105 kilohertz, and RMS is 40 millivolts, frequency is 105 kilohertz, as you can see, and that's been adjusted by using this for adjustment L102 and 202, L101 and 201, and that's all been done. So that is adjusted, And we're going to the next step.